Okay, this is a video to explain how to record your workout data in my training management system. And when you log in, you're going to see this main menu where you can access various different things. The manual to use the whole system is right here. If you click on this button, it'll download the whole manual. But this video will kind of help replace at least some of that. So once you've logged in, you'll see that most of the time you're going to be working under the upcoming workouts tab or the past workouts tab. And past workouts obviously are things that you've already done, and the upcoming workouts are what's on the schedule. For the purposes of this demonstration, I just have one upcoming workout, and so we'll come back to that in just a minute. There'll be some notes that you can look at, and here's some examples. Once you leave the notes with your workouts, which I'll show you how to do, I can reply, and you can use this tab to look at different things. So going back to upcoming workouts, so right now I have a 5K row, and this 5K row is scheduled for the day I'm making this video. If you want to see the PDF and download that and print that off, you can click on that button and that will download the protocol for the workout. This particular protocol is a 5,000 meter piece at various different rates, and you record your average split for the entire piece. So if we go back to the main menu, once you're done with the workout, you can click the edit button right here, and that will take you to all of these different things that you can see. So let's say, for example, that the average split was a 201. Then I'm going to put 201 in here, and then the average watts for that, let's just say that's about 170 watts, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. So that's the average watts that I can get from the machine. Here are my notes. So I could say, I think this was a good piece and felt good. Oops, good. So the more information you put in there, the more information a coach has to look at that and get a gauge on how well your training went, and that's almost just as important, if not as important, as the actual data. The calories are whatever calories you burn. So let's say we burned about 300 calories. The distance rode, well, in this case it was a 5K piece, so we put in 5,000 meters, and the average heart rate for that piece was, let's say, 150. And then once you submit that, that's gone into the system, and if you need to make a correction or something, you can go back to the edit button, and you can change your data or whatever it is you need to do. It's very important that you record your daily data, because that gives the coach, in some cases that might be me, a better chance at seeing how your training is going, and the more information that you can give a remote coach, the better. So hopefully this video has helped explain how to use the system on a basic level. In the next video, I'm going to talk about this upload button, where you can take your data from ErgData and transfer it into my system so that we can take an even closer look at the data that you're using and you're producing for your workouts. And that'll be in the next video. Thanks.